This is my favorite. I've practiced this one. Hello and welcome to my side of the internet. I am Camaa, the eccentric diva, and on this channel I talk about writing, books, publishing, sex and sex education. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for following this video through. Much love, much appreciation. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Hit the like button so that we increase the visibility of these videos. Thank you. This is the fourth date idea. And the reason why I'm sharing this, I mentioned it in my first video about sharing tips I use when writing, and these are ideas I use in my book, and I just want to share it with you, compile everything together, and also be a point of reference for me at some point in time. So yeah, you want to spark up the relationship. You guys have been dating for a while. These are ideas that things that you can do. You can do stargazing at night. You can decide to just lay on the mat or on the bonnet of a car and just stare into the sky. Don't do this during winter. I don't want anybody getting cold. But yeah, there's stargazing. Next thing you want to try is to book a dancing class. Honestly, this is like fun. I tried this with my partner, and so just like I thought I could dance. And it was also like a moment for me to learn how to share as well, to share attention, because it was this Spanish dance class and we're exchanging partners, and I'm like, oh, I want to dance with him, where is he coming? But with time I learned to let go, and it was actually fun because I became confident in myself, and it wasn't like, oh, these people are looking at me and all that. But whether it was with me or it was not with me, it's just a whole learning experience. So yeah, I think you should book a dancing class for your next date ideas to spark the relationship, the fire, the flame that you think is actually dying, or the embers, to brighten them up. Then the next would be to prepare dinner together. Like, you guys make something. It could be something as simple as just, I don't know what you eat for dinner, but something very simple or something complicated and complex. Just cook together, not cook for somebody. Cook together. Try a new recipe. Just do it together. Or you can decide to go on a stroll, or just take walks, evening walks or morning strolls. Do it together, either with the kids or with the dogs or with the cats. Cats like going for strolls. Interesting. But yeah, go for strolls. The next thing and final thing would be to, this is my favorite, I've practiced this one. So how we did it was that we went on a trip and we did a lot of activities, and the final one was like the date night, where we then write notes to each other. We had written the notes before we traveled, and then we read the notes to each other, like, so whatever reasons why I love you or why I chose you, something like that. Still in my drive. Yeah, I'm cheesy like that. That's why I love stories. So yeah, the idea is actually to write love notes, reasons why you love your partner, or reasons why you choose your partner, or reasons why you want to keep loving your partner over and over and over again, and read it to them at dinner. So it could be a home dinner, or it could be a dinner outdoors, or you guys can travel like we did and read it to each other. But I tell you, writing it down and reading it out to them, or them reading it to them out loud and you listen to them, is actually fun. It ignites the spark. So we're going to move on to the next video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, now it's time to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. And we are moving on to the next video, which we're going to be talking about anniversary ideas, like anniversary date ideas, things you can do on your anniversaries. Yeah, see you in the next video. Yeah, let's go.